Hello, welcome back. So today's video, if you can't already tell by the title, is going to be about this month's BoxyCharm. So this is the January BoxyCharm. I'm going to show you guys what came in my box this month. And I'm also going to show you guys how I created this look right here using all the products from this month's BoxyCharm. So if you want to see what's inside my box and how I did this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so if you guys don't already know, I'm going to tell you a little bit about BoxyCharm right now really quick. So BoxyCharm is a monthly makeup subscription box. You get one box every month for $21. I believe they have a bigger size box, but I think this is the original size box that they have. This is the smaller size box, but for $21 a month you get this box and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. It's even been 6 full-size products sometimes, but for $21 a month I think it's such a great deal. You don't get to pick what they're sending you. They pick, and every box usually has like a theme, but I just think it's a really cool way to try new products. They're always great products. I'm never disappointed. And even though sometimes they send me products that I wouldn't pick myself, like if I was shopping at the store, I always end up loving them. So I just think it's a cool way to, try new things and build your makeup collection, because I mean, realistically, I don't buy this much makeup on my own. I'm not buying 4 to 5 full-size products every month. I just don't do that. I never have. So I think it's a really cool, I just love it. I think it's a really cool idea, and I think it's so worth the money. Also, if you want to get your own BoxyCharm subscription, there's a link in my description box below. It is an affiliate code, but if you want to help your girl out, then make sure you click on that to get your own BoxyCharm subscription. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I love this makeup subscription box. I've also seen other makeup subscriptions that send freaking little tiny sample sizes, and why would you want to pay for freaking samples? I believe that samples should be free. So I love BoxyCharm because they send 4 to 5 full-size products every single freaking month for $21. That's a freaking bargain, I think. Also, they do not pay me to say this. I wish they did. BoxyCharm, if you're listening. But I just freaking love this box so much, so I like to promote it and show you guys things that I personally love. So that's why I post about this every month, because I freaking love it. So anyways, let me show you guys what I got in my box this month. Okay, so in my box this month I got 5 products. I'm so sad because normally they send a little pamphlet brochure thing that talks about each product and tells me how much they cost. But I didn't get one, so I'm just gonna Google it so you guys can know how much each item costs. So anyways, the first thing that I got in my box is this Borrego Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I've tried other products from this brand that I love. I believe they have a hair mask treatment that you rinse out that I really love so much. So I'm excited to try this one right here. And let's see. Let's Google this and see how much this one cost. Okay, so this is the 2-ounce bottle, and I believe there's one on Amazon for about 16 bucks, so that's good right there. The bigger size is, I believe, $28 because there is another size as well. Okay, I also got this eyeshadow palette right here from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. Now, I don't really like that it's almost all shimmers. I believe this one is a matte. There's one matte shade in here, which I like shimmer eyeshadows, but if I was just using this palette, I don't really like that, even though I did just use this palette for this eye look. But personally, I prefer palettes that have matte and shimmer shades. But I really like the quality of this palette, but I really like the quality of these eyeshadows. I've never tried Tarte eyeshadows before, so I was really impressed by the quality. Also, the packaging is just so cute. It looks so high-end and nice. So I do like that. And this retails for, let me look. This palette retails for $36 at Sephora, so right there, your box is totally worth it. Okay, the next thing I got in my box is this Tatcha sheet mask. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I actually got 2 of these in my box, but I already used one, as you are about to see if you stick around. But this retails for $12 on Tatcha.com. So I got 2 of these, so that's 24 bucks. So right there, your box is also worth it. And I really like this mask. I love sheet masks. I don't really like masks that you have to wash off because I'm lazy. So I really, really like this, and it was the first time ever trying Tatcha for me. Everyone loves this brand, so that was really cool to get this in my box. The next product that I got in my box is this eye pencil right here. This is from Starlooks. This is a brown eye pencil. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. I really, really liked it. It's one of those twist up eye pencils. And let's see. This pencil retails for 19 bucks, so also worth it. Okay, and the last product that I got in my box is this lip gloss right here from Smith & Colt, and I just looked, and on their website this retails for 22 bucks, so also worth it in my opinion. So those are all the products in this month's BoxyCharm, and I'm going to show you guys how I use them to do this look. Let's get started. Okay, so before I get started on this makeup look, I'm actually going to use one of the masks from the box, and I'm going to put it on. Let's see, it says apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes, peel off mask, and massage remaining serum into the skin. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to use it for the full 15 minutes. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to kick back and finish drinking my coffee before I get started on this makeup look. So I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how I like it when it's done. Everyone raves about Tatcha, and honestly, it smells good. It kind of smells like a little lavendery, a little bit, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, everyone always talks about Tatcha and how much they love Tatcha, and I've never tried Tatcha, so this is going to be the first ever Tatcha product that I am trying. I do love a good sheet mask though. Sheet masks are my favorite type of face mask, and I love the ones that you just like rub into your skin after and you don't have to, like, you know, wash your face. Oh my god, I'm having troubles. I look scary. It's so cold. Me and Zoe like to do face masks together. Now I'm gonna need a straw for my coffee. Okay, so this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So I'm gonna wear this for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. BRB. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I so enjoyed this face mask. I just laid in my bed, I caught up on some YouTube, and I drank my coffee and I'm so relaxed now. But it is time to take this off, so let's take it off. That felt so nice. So nice! Okay, so it says to just massage the remaining serum into your skin, so that's what I'm gonna do. I really like the smell of this mask. It's just like a light, subtle smell. It's nothing too overwhelming. Sometimes I've tried sheet masks that are like the smell is so strong that I like almost can't stand it. So this one is nice because it's just a light, mellow scent. Just massaging the serum into my skin. I really liked this mask. I give it a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm going to put my face makeup on, do my eyebrows, and then we'll be right back to get on with this look. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking the eye pencil from Starlooks that came in the box. This is a brown eye pencil, and as you can see, I'm using a little bit of tape, and I'm just going to start drawing a wing. I'm using the tape because I feel like for me it's harder to do a wing with a pencil. Normally I'm using like a liquid liner or a pomade gel liner. I never use a pencil to do a line, but we're just working with what we got. So in order to keep this line crispy, I'm using the tape. And I'm just going to wing it out on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to bring it in about halfway to about there. Okay, once I get that wing about how I want it, it's more concentrated out here on the very outer part of the wing, and it kind of, you know, is not that concentrated right here, and that's okay because we're going to put a shadow over it. So I'm going to take the darkest shadow from the palette right here called Malibu, and I'm just going to start by packing this on to this portion of my eye, and then I'm going to blend that out, smudge it out a little bit using this darker shadow. There's going to be a lot of building and blending involved with this look, so if you smudge out that eyeliner a little too much, that's okay because we're going to go back in with the pencil at the end. So I'm just going to deepen the outer portion of my eye using this shadow. Once I get that shadow to how I want it, this is pretty much how I want it, I'm then going to remove the tape, and that kind of just gives me like a little bit of a guideline as to like where I want that liner to stay. So I'm just going to continue building out this outer wing and this like outer corner of my eye using this darker brown shadow. And I'm just really lightly blending it out, especially up here because I want it to taper out. I don't want any harsh lines up here. So I'm just working this darker shadow in the outer portion of my eyelid. And using that liner underneath just kind of gives a little bit of like a darker base since the colors in this eyeshadow palette are rather light in my opinion. Okay, so now that I've got that shadow worked up exactly how I want it to be, it's looking pretty nice. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take this lighter, it's like a really light gold shade and it's called Escape. And I'm going to start placing this on the inner portion of my eyelid, closer to the inner corner. And I'm going to take this about halfway in to meet that darker brown shade. And I'm just patting this on. I want it to be very pigmented and shimmery and bright in the inner corner portion. And I'm just taking it right up to my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Tiki. This is like the only somewhat matte shade. I think it is matte. There's only one matte shade in this palette. I'm just gonna like diffuse right up here along my brow bone, and I'm just gonna diffuse those shimmers just a little bit, kind of blend them out so there's no harsh lines. This color is just really like a soft skin tone color, and I'm just diffusing the edges of those shimmers so there's no harsh edges. I'm going to take it all the way out and I'm going to diffuse this area as well using this shade. This is just giving me like a really nice soft blur look. Love that. Okay, I'm going to go back in with this pencil and I'm just going to darken up the wing. Kind of just define the wing a little bit more just so it looks like we got a little bit of a wing going on, but nothing too harsh, too crazy. And I'm concentrating this pencil really close to my lash line and then kind of just letting it look like it like feathers out a little bit as it goes up higher on my lid, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to do this about halfway in. I'm not going to take it all the way into the inner corner, just to about right there. And that just kind of defines that wing just a little bit. This is going to be like a really soft looking winged liner. Okay, so I obviously went ahead and popped on some mascara and lashes, so now we can finish the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with that dark brown pencil and I'm just going to drag this along my lower lash line. And I'm going to do it pretty like thick because then we're going to smudge it out. So even though we're going to smudge it out, I'm still keeping it pretty nice and neat. And I'm keeping it a little thicker towards the outer corner of my eye. And I'm bringing it up just a little bit right here in this area to meet the liner at the top. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little brush and I'm just going to start smudging out this liner, and you're just gonna have to work it until you get it smudged exactly how you want it. Okay, after I've smudged out that liner, I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown shimmer shadow that we used up top, and I'm just going to place a little bit of this on top of the eyeliner, just to smudge it out a little bit more and to add some shimmer down here as well. And then I'm going to go back in with the eye pencil and I'm going to tightline my lashes up here. I feel like this just gives a fuller look to your lashes. And I'm also going to line my waterline. I don't really like to put eye pencils in my waterline just because I feel like it can look too harsh sometimes. But since this is a brown pencil, I'm okay with it. It won't look as intense. It'll give a softer look. Okay, and then I went ahead and added a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes and gave my false lashes another coat as well. So the eyes are done now. Let's zoom you out. Okay, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette as a highlighter also, since there is so many shimmery shades and there's some light shimmery shades in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the same light gold shade that we used on the eyes, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my face also. We'll see how this turns out. So I'm just going to place that eyeshadow right here. It's actually really, really pretty as a highlighter, you guys. I'm going to intensify it just a little bit. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, and then I'll highlight the other parts of my face as well, like my forehead and my chin. And then using my finger, I'm going to take a little down the bridge of my nose and on the very tip of my nose also. That is gorgeous. Okay, I really like this eye look a lot. So let's move on. Okay, I obviously already have some lip liner on, but that's because I would never really wear a lip gloss on its own. I don't know. I just like to wear lip liner underneath my lip gloss, and that's because I just like to give my lips shape with lip liner. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this lip gloss from the box to my lips. This is not typically a color that I would choose myself, but over this lip liner it'll work. It's actually just kind of like a nice, giving my lips like a nice like natural look, I would say, color. It's like a nice natural pinky tone to my lips. I actually really like that, looks good. And I concentrated it mainly in the center of my lip just to give my lips like a plump look. A plump, juicy look. And this lip gloss is in the shade Her Name Bubbles. Her Name Bubbles! It's actually really pretty. I like that. Okay, I took my hair down out of my clip. I'm just going to leave it kind of like messy because it looks alright. I haven't really done my hair today actually. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really, as always, love all the products in this BoxyCharm. I did get one more product in my BoxyCharm, as you saw before when I was showing you all the products I got. I haven't tried this yet. This is the Borrego Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. You're supposed to use this on wet or damp hair, kind of like a detangler, leave-in conditioner, whatever. I have used their other hair mask treatment and it is so good. So I'm assuming that this is just as good. I love that it has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So I'm sorry I didn't try this for you guys on camera, but I'm thinking I will like it because I like stuff like this and I like their other products and it smells really good. Anyways, you guys, this is the finished look right here. Super gorgeous, glowy, shimmery, fresh, and fun looking. I love this look so much. I'm surprised that I was able to whip it out because I saw that palette with all the shimmers and I was like, oh, I don't know. I love shimmery shadows, but I also love matte shadows. And it's so hard for me to do like a look with just shimmer shadows. But I was like, you know what, we're going to make it work. It's going to look great. And I love how this look turned out a lot. And I really, really love the Tarte eyeshadows. I've never used Tarte's eyeshadows before, but I love the formula. And I'm picky with my eyeshadows, so I'm impressed. I also love the packaging so much, so that's a plus. I think this is my favorite thing from this month's box. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to get your own BoxyCharm subscription, there's a link in my bio right underneath this video. So make sure you click on that. It is an affiliate link. But if you're okay with that and you want to support your girl, then make sure you click that link in the description box to get your BoxyCharm subscription. I honestly love this subscription box so much, so much. I see other subscription boxes that send you like freaking tiny ass sample sizes and I just think that's a bunch of BS. So I love that BoxyCharm sends you full size products because that's rad. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!